Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Neil Stock. This is the Stock Market Show. It is your host, Shades. Neil Stock here, coming on down to $4.20. I'm watching to see if it bounces here. If buyers step in and push it up like they did all these three times here. If it doesn't, we're gonna go back down to all-time lows, which is $3.60, and that's gonna be the absolute bottom. If it does not hold that, we're going to drop like a hotcake to $2 and under. So what we're waiting on is to see if this is actually going to hold up here at 4. If it doesn't, we buy at 360. That is the game plan. I know you're wondering, wait, is that it? Yes, this video is very short. We took advantage of the pump here. We took profit. It's coming on down. We'll see if it holds here. If it doesn't, if it breaks down, we buy it nice and cheap down here. And we'll get another pump probably here at 360 back to $4. And then maybe it trades sideways before eventually getting another big run. Or not. We'll see what happens. I can't predict what the market's going to do. I can only look at the patterns and come to a conclusion based off of those patterns. So if things go the way I expect them to, especially with the market bleeding this Friday, maybe if it continues bleeding going into next week, then we should see this come down nice and cheap to 3.60, which I know someone said is never going to see that again. Well, you never know. Looks like it is. It's well on its way there because buyers aren't stepping in right now. It's just red candle after red candle. Going into support usually means we're going to break down. So we need to see buyers step in here. If they don't, you know what to do. It's time to buy down here nice and cheap at 360. There was an upgrade to the analyst ratings. No, it's just a hold rating. Okay. There was no big update for the ratings. I was teased. And as for the MACD crossover, as you can see, it did not cross over. So until we get that crossover, there's no confirmation of a dollar move to the upside. After every crossover on the MACD on the weekly chart, there's usually a dollar move. It has not happened yet. So if you want to play it safe, wait until that happens to buy in. So for the time being, we would expect more downside or at least sideways action if it's going to move like this. So that's just a look at the daily. You can see here on the daily, it's about to cross under. Last time we crossed under, we had a big red candle into support. Cross under, where's another cross under? Right here we had a cross under, big red candle. So if we cross under on Monday, it's going to lead to a big red candle into support. That's why I'm saying, like, there's everything is lining up for a potential breakdown. Buyers have to show up. If they don't, we're going to get the breakdown. That's confirmation of the breakdown, and we'll buy cheap. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the markets. Again, short video, 3 minutes. That's it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you at 360.